Let us start this question. An open water storage tank in the shape of a cylinder on the top of a cone. So cylinder and the cone. The radius of the both cylinder and the cone, have the same radius, 1.5. The height of the cylinder is 4 centimeters, the height of the cylinder, and the height of the cone is 2 meters. 4 meters for the cylinder and 2 meters for the cone. Calculate the total surface area of the outside of the tank. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. So the first step, we need to find the L. L is equal to square root of 2 squared plus 1.5 square. Here, Pythagoras. So it's equal to square root of 2 square plus 1.5 square. So it's equal to 2.5. So L is 2.5. The area is equal to pi RL is the area of the cone plus 2 pi RL, the area of the cylinder. So it will be pi, and then R is equal to 1.5, L is 2.5 plus 2 by 1.5, and then the height is 4. So the area is equal to by 1.5 by 2.5 plus 2 by 1.5 by 4. So the surface area is 49.48 meters. So 49 meters square, 49.5 meters square, 49.5 meters square. The tank is completely full of water. Calculate the volume of water in the tank and show that it's around 33 meter cube, correct to the nearest whole number. And this is the volume of the cone. So volume will be volume of cone plus the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r squared h. So 1/3 by 1.5 square. The height of the cone is 2 plus pi 1.5 square. The height of the cylinder is 4. So the volume 1/3 1.5 square by 2 plus by 1.5 square by 4. So the volume is 32.98, equal to 32.98, which is almost to 33 meter cube, which is the answer that you need, want. Thus, go to another question. The cross-section of irrigation channel is semicircle of radius 0.5. The 33 meter cube of water from the tank completely fill the irrigation channel. Calculate the length of the channel. we have the volume and we have the radius. Volume is equal to half. Why half? Because it's a semi-cylinder. Multiplied by pi r squared L. We need what? We need L. So the volume, which is 33, is equal to half by 0.5 squared L. So L is equal to 33 divided by 0.5 by 0.5 square. So L is 84 meters. So 84 meters. 84 meters. Okay. Calculate the number of liters in full tank of 33 meter cube. So he need the liter. So 33 meter cube multiplied by 1000 will give us how much liter, which is 33,000 liter. The water drained from the tank at a rate of 1800 liters per minute. So rate is equal to 1800 liters per minute. Calculate time in minutes and second taken to empty the tank. So we need time to empty the tank. This rate, which is 1800, is equal to volume divided by time, equal to the volume is 33,000. Why? Because in liters. Divided by the time. So from here time will equal to 33,000. 33,000 divided by 1800. So 18.33 minutes. How to change it into minutes and second? Again, click here. Now 18 minutes and 20 seconds. Or another way to find the 20 is 0.33 minutes multiplied by 60 give us 19.8, which is 20 seconds. Okay. Let us see another question. The diagram shows a solid made up of a hemisphere and cylinder. The radius of both the cylinder and the hemisphere is 3 cm. The length of the cylinder is 12 cm. Calculate the volume of the solid if the sphere is equal to the volume of the sphere V 4/3 pi r cube. Take into consideration it's a hemisphere. So half of this part. It's a hemisphere, so the volume half of this part. So the volume is equal to pi r squared L, which is the cylinder, plus half 4/3 pi r cube, which is a hemisphere. So it will be pi 3 square by 12 plus half 4/3 by 3 cube. Let us find the answer. By 3 square by 12 plus half 4/3 by 3 cube. So it will be 395.8. 395.8 meter centimeter cube. So 395.8. Okay. The solid made of steel, 1 centimeter cube of steel, 1 centimeter cube of steel has mass 7.9 gram. Calculate the mass of the solid. Give your answer in kilogram. So mass is equal to the total volume, which is 395.8 multiplied by 7.9 divided by 1000. Why divided by 1000? Because he needs the answer in kilogram. So mass will equal to the answer multiplied by 7.9 divided by 1000. Will equal to 3.13 kilogram. 3.13 kilogram. Okay, so the answer here is 3.13 kilogram. Let us see another question. Paint is solid in a cylindrical tines of height 11 centimeter. Each tine holds 750 milli of paint. Write 750 milli in centimeter. Same. The milliliter is the same centimeter cube. Milliliter is the same centimeter cube. So the answer here is 750 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of tine. Give your answer correct 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. So the volume pi r squared h. So 750 was equal to pi. The radius I don't know. The height is 11. So the radius was equal to square root of 750 divided by 11 by. So the radius will be 4.66 centimeters. 1 decimal place, so the answer will be 4.7. 1 decimal place, 4.7 centimeters. A mathematically similar tine has height of 22 centimeters. How many liters of paint does this tine hold? Again, V1 over V2, H1 cube divided by H2 cube. V1 is 750, V2 I don't know, H1 is 11 cube, H2 is 22 cube. Okay, so V2, let us start 750 by 22 cube divided by 11 cube. So the volume will be 6,000 milliliter. He needed in what? In liter. So the volume will equal to 6 liter divided here by 1000 to find the volume in liter, so 6 liter. Okay. The mass of tiny paint is 890 grams. correct to the nearest 10 grams. Work out upper bound of the total mass of 10 tiny beans. Here, the mass is near to 10 grams, so 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the boundary is 5. So 890, we need the upper boundary, so plus 5. So it will be 895. This is the mass. You need 10 tinies, so 10 multiplied by 895. So the upper boundary will equal to 8,950 grams of the mass of the 10 tiny. The probability that a tiny of paint is donated is 0.07 out of 3,000 tiny of paint. How many would you expect it to be donated? Now, donate is 0.07 from 3,000. So how many times it's donated is equal to 0.07 multiplied by 3,000. So it will be equal to 210 times the one I will collect it is donated. Okay, let's go ahead. A cylindrical tank, radius 30 centimeters and the height 50 centimeters, lies on its side. It is partially filled with water. This is the part filled with water. The shaded segment AXBY in the diagram, this shaded, show that the cross section of the water. The greatest depth XY, the maximum depth is XY, is 12 centimeters. OA is equal to OB equal to 30 centimeters, which is the radius of the cylinder. The radius of the cylinder. Write down the length of OX. This is the radius, and this is total radius, and this is also radius. All of the three lines here, OA is a radius, and OY is a radius, and OB is a radius. So OY is equal to 30 centimeter. OX is equal to 30 minus 12, which is 18 centimeter. So OX 18 centimeter. Calculate angle AOB. AOB, you need this angle, the big one. You need this angle OAB, this one. Correct to this two decimal place, showing all your work. The angle here, this one, which is AOX, multiplied by 2 will give us the angle AOB. So angle OB will equal to 2 multiplied by angle AOX. From this triangle here, cosine angle AOX is equal to OX divided by OA. 18 divided by 30. So from here, angle AOX is equal to, let us bring our calculator, shift cosine 18 divided by 30. So the angle is equal to 53.13. 53.13 degree. So the angle that he need, AOB, is equal to 2 multiplied by 53.13 equal to by 2, 106.26 degree. Correct to what? 2 decimal place. So this is your angle. This is your angle. 106.26 degree. Okay. Using angle AOB is equal to 106.3, find the area of the sector AOBY. You remember the area of the sector? Area of sector theta divided by 360 multiplied by r square. So 106.3 divided by 360 by the radius is 30 square. So the 106.3 divided by 360 by 30 square. So the area of the sector. So the area is 834.88. 134.88. Of course, this area will be in centimeter square. The area of the triangle AOB, go up. You need the area of the triangle AOB. You remember the area with sine? So the area will be the AO. Half first, half AO by OB by sine of the angle. Sine of the angle AOB. So let us go and write the equation. Area of the triangle, area is equal to half AO by OB by sine angle AOB. So it will be half 30 by 30 by sine AOB is 106.3 degree. So it will be 0.5 by 30 square by sine 106.3. So the area is 431.9. 431.9 centimeter square. The area of the shaded segment AXBY, this area will be the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So area is equal to area of sector minus area of the triangle, which is equal to this area of segment 834.88 minus 431.9. So it will equal to 834.88 minus the answer. It will be 402.96, which is equal to 403 centimeters square. Okay. Calculate the volume of the water in cylinder. Give your answer in cubic centimeter and in liter. The volume of the water will be equal to the area by L. So it will be 403 multiplied by L. Let us go and see. L is 50 centimeters. So 50. So the volume will be equal to 403 by 50 will be 20,150 centimeter cube. And the V of water is equal to 2,150 divided by 1,000. So it will be 20.15 liter. 20.15 liter. Okay, let's go ahead. How many more liters must add to make the tank half full? Half full. The area, the volume is equal to, half pi r squared L. Why half? Because he needs half of the tank. So half of the tank will equal to half pi, radius is 30 square, L is 50. So the area is equal to, the volume is equal to 0.5 by 30 square by 50. So it will equal to 70,685. 70,685.83 centimeter cube. It will divide it by 1,000. It will equal to 70.68 liters. So how many water I need to add? So additional water is equal to 70.68 minus 20.15. So the additional water 70.68 minus 20.15. So I need to add 50.53 liters. So we need to add 50.53 liter to full half of the tank, to make the half of the tank full. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Sarah investigates cylindrical planet plot. The standard plot has base, radius r centimeter, and the height h. Plot A has radius 3r and the height h, so 3rh. Plot B, radius r and the height 3h, and plot C is 3r and height 3h, and of course this is the standard r and h. Write down the volume of the plot A and B and C in terms of pi r and h. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. So VA is equal to pi 3r squared h. So it will be 9 pi r squared h. VB is equal to pi r squared 3h. So 3 pi r squared h. VC is equal to pi 3r squared 3h. So it will be 27 pi r squared h. This is the 3 volume of the C cylinder. Find its lowest term, the ratio of the volume A, B, and C, VA to VB, VC equal to 9 to 3 to 27. So 3 to 1 to 9. 3 to 1 to 9. Which one of the plot A, B, and C mathematically similar to the standard plot? Explain your answer. Standard plot, standard cylinder, the radius is R and H. R and H. The second one is 3R, so R multiplied by 3, and H divided is the same H, so it's not similar. The third one, the radius is R and the height is 3h. So the radius is not similar to the height. Here, see, the radius is 3r and the height is 3h, so the ratio is the same. So let us write the standard cylinder R over H. Okay, cylinder C 3R over 3H. Okay, which is equal to R to H. The same ratio of the standard cylinder. So the one who has the same ratio or the similarity, mathematically similar, is cylinder C. Cylinder C. Okay. Surface area of the standard plot is S. Write down item of S, the surface area of the similar plot. The surface area is S, so area 1 divided by area 2 is equal to H1 squared divided by H2 squared, or R1 squared divided by R2 squared, whatever. So area 1 is S divided by area 2 is equal to, if we discuss R, so it will be R over 3R square. So R square is R square. So area 2 will equal to 9S. 9S. Okay. Now, Sarah by cylindrical plot with radius 15 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. She wants to paint the outside surface, base and curved surface. So base and the curved surface area. Calculate the area that she wants to paint. Okay, so the area was equal to the area of the base by R squared plus the area of the curved surface. The curved surface area will equal to 2 pi R L. So pi, the radius is equal to 15 square, plus 2 pi, the radius is 15, multiplied by the height is equal to 20. So the area that she like to paint will equal to by 15 square plus 2 by 15 by 20. So the total area is equal to 2592. 2591.82.81, which was equal to 2592 centimeters square. Okay. Sarah buy tiny of painted with which will cover 30 centimeters. How many planet plot of size should be painted on this surface completely using this tiny paint? So she has 30 meter square, so she has 30 multiplied by 100 square centimeter square divided by the value that she already has, the area of the surface area, so it will be equal to 330 by 100 square divided by 2592, so it is equal to 115.74. So the number she needs, the number of time will equal to 115 times. Okay. A solid metal sphere has a radius of 3.5 centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter of the metal has mass 56 grams. Diagram 1 shows a cylinder with a diameter of 16 centimeters, diameter 16. It contains water to a depth of 8 centimeters. Two spheres identically to the sphere in part A, identical to this one, are placed in the water. We put this inside the water. This is shown in diagram 2. Calculate height of the new depth of the water in the cylinder. We put two spheres inside and we need the new height of the cylinder. So volume 2 is equal to the 2 multiplied by volume of the sphere plus the volume of the water. Volume 2 is by r squared h. Was this volume of all of the water plus the sphere equal to 4/3 by r cubed plus the volume of the water here in the first cylinder by r squared h. So by here the radius is equal to 8. The radius, so 8 square by h equal to 2 multiplied by 4/3 by the diameter of the sphere, or the radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere 3.5. Plus by the radius is 8 square by the h is 8. The h is 8. So this h now which is the h that I needed here. H is equal to, open bracket, 2 4/3 by 3.5 cube plus by 8 square by 8 divided by 8 square. So the new height of the water is 9.78. So new height H, 978 centimeters. A different metal sapphire has a mass 1 kilogram. 1 cubic centimeter of this metal has a mass 4.8 grams. Calculate the radius of this sapphire. So 1000 kilogram mass is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, the 1000 gram, which is 1 kilogram multiplied by 1000. 1 centimeter cube of this sphere has 4.8 gram. So x centimeter cube has 1000 gram. So the volume x is equal to 1000 divided by 4.8. So the total volume is equal to 1000 divided by 4.8. So it's equal to 208.3. This volume, 208.3, is equal to the volume of the sphere, 4/3 by r cube. So I need what? I need the r. R is equal to the answer divided by 4/3 by. So this is r cube. Now the cubic root of the answer. So the radius of this sphere will be 3.677. 3.677 centimeters.